how to cancel your Nitro subscription on Discord. So if you want to cancel your Nitro subscription on your Discord, then first you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'll be here with Chrome. Open up your Chrome browser and then you need to go for Discord. So once you're here on the Discord, go for open Discord. Make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now go for the user settings, which is here on the bottom left. Click on the user settings, and under the user settings you will have subscriptions under your payment settings. Click on subscriptions and you will have the subscription, right? So if you have the Nitro subscription, then you will have your subscription right here, or you can simply go for the Nitro. And if you have your subscription, you will have this here. So I don't have any Nitro subscriptions. So what you need to do is, if you have any subscription, then you will have cancel subscription option. You need to simply click on the cancel subscription. And once you click on the cancel subscription, it will ask you if you really want to cancel the subscription. Then it's going you to show the perks that you get by canceling your Discord Nitro. On the bottom of the page, you will have OK option. Click on OK, and then it's going to show when cancellation will take effect, which is going to be the end of your current billing period. And of course, you can restart your subscription at any time, but to complete the cancellation, we're going to click where it says confirm, which will be on the bottom right. And once you click on confirm, you need to select a reason why you would like to cancel your subscription, and then you can click on OK, and your subscription will be cancelled on Discord Nitro. So it was that easy to cancel your Nitro subscription, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.